Curious about what your Credit Karma credit score means? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain the different credit score ranges on Credit Karma so you know where you stand and how to improve. Step 1. Credit Karma scores range from 300 to 850. Higher scores mean better credit. Step 2. Scores between 300 and 579 are considered poor. You may face higher interest rates or loan denials. Step 3. Scores from 580 to 6669 are fair. You might get credit but with less favorable terms. Step 4. Scores between 670 and 739 are good. You'll likely qualify for most loans with decent rates. Step 5. Scores from 740 to 799 are very good. You can access better loan offers and lower interest rates. Step 6. Scores 800 and above are excellent. You get the best rates and credit offers. Quick tip: regularly check your score on Credit Karma and pay your bills on time to maintain or improve your range. Like this guide? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more credit tips. Thanks for watching.